E-bikes are here. Yes, the technology has arrived. Come and check this out now. What is that, a wheelchair? What is that, some kind of, no, it unfolds into a bike. Electric bike. I was in New York City and I saw people riding them all over the place. And I thought, why don't we have these here? So I'm here to tell you about the electric bicycles.
With the big tires on it, makes it fun just to go anywhere, like taking it across the sand, down to the shoreline.
I use it to get around because I don't drive. It gets me out, it gets me going, it gives me exercise.
I have health issues, so for me to ride around on a regular bicycle is pretty much impractical anymore. I can't do it.
The Wave is the world's most affordable and versatile electric bike. Your Wave e-bike speeds you up to 28 miles per hour effortlessly. With a 750 watt upgraded motor, you'll be riding up hills without ever having to pedal again. And with an extra large battery, you'll be able to ride for over 26 miles without ever having to pedal, which means you can go even farther if you decide to pedal. Wave is a clean, green way of transportation. Tired of pedaling your Wave electric bike? No problem. Just twist the throttle and you're good to go. It's great for anyone of all ages. You can pedal just like a normal bicycle and get exercise. You can use pedal assist mode, which means you can pedal with the assistance of a motor. Or you can use the full electric mode and not have to pedal at all.
Isn't that great? So whether you're getting around town or you're hitting the road for a new trail, this bike can come with you, be prepared in seconds, and get the job done. Whether you're going across town or whether you're racing downhill, this bike is built to take the thrills and the spills, take a little abuse, and keep on rolling. Hydraulic brakes, ready to take the road, to catch some air, to grab a little dust. So open up new vistas for yourself. Explore a new trail. Celebrate life the way you only can when you're mobile. Whether you're racing up hills, cruising the straightaways, it's a comfortable ride. So this is where old meets new. The new technology in the old bicycle. It's a far cry from what they knew back in the early 19th century when they first thought of putting motors on bicycles. And now with the electric technology and battery technology and motor technology catching on the way it is, the riding machines of today are nothing like they were ever before. Front and rear wheel suspension for a smoother ride. Front and rear brakes. LED front lights and tail lights. All in a package light enough to take home, take into your apartment, pull out the battery, and charge up for the next day. Charges up overnight. So ride on, hit the trails in a bike that's not afraid of a little bit of moisture or afraid of a little bit of dust, and gives you the power to ride more trails.
Look at this, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Look
Oh
at
my gosh.
All right.
This is absolutely incredible. Oh my.
You don't even know what it is.
Well, I can tell it has a battery. It's like, oh my gosh, I've wanted an electric bike forever. Okay, and then if I just start pedaling,
You start pedaling, it'll
kick in.
It'll kick in. It's very smooth. You probably will hardly feel it, but
Feel
trust
it?
me, it is helping you.
Oh, let's see. How's it feel? Good work, guys. High five. High five. That was a good surprise. Look at that smile.
Gosh.
Just twist it up and you're ready to go. Now for a tour of the X-Cursion. It comes with a 24-volt, 8-amp-hour lithium-ion LiFePO4 bike battery, coupled to a 300-watt rear hub motor, front and rear disc brakes, a rear kickstand, and a very convenient rear rack that has a luggage clip, pannier supports and mounts, as well as a rear reflector, front reflector, and side reflectors on the wheels, making it visible at night. This bike has a 7-speed Shimano Tourney gear shift system, which is plenty for an electric bike and quite smooth in its shifting. This bike weighs 52 pounds thanks to the lithium-ion battery and aluminum alloy frame, which is pretty light for an electric bike. It's good in size for everyone from about 5'6" up to about 6'4". I'm personally 6'4" and ride it completely comfortably. It has a 20-mile-an-hour top speed and a 20-mile range. Here's the throttle, pedal assist on and off button, and gear shift buttons. It comes included with a handlebar-mounted front headlight, adjustable front suspension, mechanical disc brakes, dual-wall aluminum alloy rims that are real strong, and a 26-inch, 1.95-inch mountain bike tires. Now, a lot of people ask me what it's like to put together. All you have to do is put on the front wheel, the handlebars, and the pedals, which takes around 20 to 30 minutes and is pretty easy for anyone to do, and all the tools are included. So it comes with a key that when you turn it to the right, it turns on the electrical system, and then when you turn it to the left, it unlocks the battery from the bike, which makes it convenient to bring inside and charge, and the battery weighs around 6 to 7 pounds. The charge indicator is on top of the battery. Then you can just place it on its mount, lock it to the bike, and it's attached to the bike so no one can walk off with it.